Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we're going to talk about Skype. Skype as an interesting, so for those that don't know what Skype is, I'm probably not a lot of you, but Skype is a way to keep in contact with your friends, family, and so on. It is a audio and video conference tool. You can actually make Skype calls over the internet for free with other people. If you have a webcam, you can see each other. And you can even make calls to landlines. Now, Skype has been in use for a long time, but there's something interesting with what is happening in the recent month. Basically, Skype, and it seems that it shows that, while we are all isolated in our little homes, it seems that a lot of people are wanting to actually contact other people and family and friends. Skype has seen an increase in usage, a really huge increase in usage. Microsoft says that more than 40 million people have been using Skype, and that of those 40 million people using Skype, there is a 70% increase in Skype usage in the past couple of weeks. It seems that people are definitely want to connect. And I think in times where basically this is, we need to more than ever connect with other people. I think it's a pretty interesting number here. And, there's so many other options today, with Facebook that has its own possibility to connect with camera and do video conferences and all, and Facebook being very popular actually too. Also, WhatsApp enables you to connect with people. Well, Skype is still a alternative that some people actually use, and so it seems that it's being used a lot. So 40 million people, 70% increase in the past month. I actually use it from time to time, not a lot, but I do it mostly for some of the work stuff that I have to do. But it's interesting to see that still a lot of people are using this tool. And we had talked a couple of weeks back that the Windows 10 app version is actually being removed because, they want you to go back to the desktop version that you can download. So you can actually get Skype. It's free. And once again, you can call phone numbers, but that isn't free. You need to buy you had to add money to the account in order to do some calls to certain countries. But it's often a tool that a lot of people use for the fact that it's very inexpensive, even for computer to landline calls. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.